President Donald Trump's suggestion last week about injecting disinfectants into people to fight COVID-19 triggered an outcry from health officials. And now poison control hotlines across the country are reporting an uptick in calls. Ethan Burks has the story.
It may seem like an obvious statement to most, but humans cannot and should not consume disinfectants for any reason.
We know that when people ingest cleaning products and disinfectants, or even if they would go to the length of injecting it, that's going to cause, serious harm, serious health problems, and in some cases even death.
Dr. Froberg specializes in these types of cases at the Indiana Poison Center. He says as people use cleaning products more than usual during this time, it's important not to try to mix products together.
So here's your everyday bleach. Now most people know this is a very effective cleaning product, but what you might not know is that when bleach is mixed with other cleaning products, it can sometimes give off a dangerous dose of something called chloramine gas.
Dr. Froberg says chloramine gas can be extremely harmful to the lungs if it's inhaled. He also says bleach and other cleaning supplies can cause long-term organ problems.
Your mouth, your esophagus, your stomach, and in a real severe case, then you could have kind of permanent damage to those linings, and that would affect the way that you're able to eat and drink, maybe even for the rest of your life.
Dr. Froberg says the Poison Center has seen an increase the last 2 months for cases involving cleaning supplies and disinfectants. For both March and April, the center has received 417 cases, which is over 100 more than March and April of 2019. The increase has been steady, but cannot be directly traced to the president's comments made last week.
If you have more of a product in your house, then there's going to be more of a chance of exposure.
Although Dr. Froberg says most of these cases are non-life-threatening, you should always call the Poison Center, whether you just have a question or you're in the middle of a serious emergency. For Indiana Newsdesk, I'm Ethan Burks.